from Valders.
Snowstorm Valders rolled into town like a freight train today, a real Saskatchewan screamer. For the small community of Valders, it's not a big deal when it snows in December, but when it starts to snow like this and it doesn't stop and it's named after you, it's a big deal.
Oh, I think we're going on the map on this one. Don't look like it'll ever stop.
This is the second time I've been out here, and I think it's twice as deep now as it was this morning.
It tripped up drivers, buried this diner, and bothered a postal worker. What do you think about it?
You want the truth, or?
Sure.
I don't know. It's not too bad, but I don't want to be out here.
By 1:30, the storm closed Valders schools.
We just found out last hour, and everybody's like cheering and everything. Everybody's happy about it.
This lady was so upset about the whole thing, she couldn't even remember the name of the snowstorm.
Vixen. No. No, I don't know.
Snowstorm Valders.
Oh, you're kidding. Okay, well, isn't it beautiful here?
Residents watched in awe as it buried streets and made penguins feel right at home. This snowstorm called Valders.
Of all places to name it after, huh? Could name it after Reidsville, maybe. That's always
In Valders, Brian Knox for The Source, WLUK News 11.